To make this beautiful bracelet, you will need strawberry quartz gemstones, puka shells, your crimp beads. These are large pearls. These are 10 by 12 millimeters. You'll need 2 jump rings, 2 beads, your toggle, and you'll need beadalon 19 strand wire, cut about 8 inches. You'll need bent chain nose pliers, and your crimping tool. I use this little pocket crimper. I find it fits my hand the best. Okay, let's get started. Start with 1 pearl, add 5 puka shells, 3 gemstones. Repeat until you're finished. Now I'm going to add a bead, and then my crimp bead, and then my jump ring. I'm going to come back down through my crimp bead, and I'm going to make sure that my wires aren't crossed. And then I'm going to come back down through my bead, bring the crimp up closer to the jump ring, and then I'm going to come in and I'm going to crimp it horizontally with the last notch in the back. Then I'm going to rotate this and come up vertically and crimp it with the front notch. Then I'm going to cut off my excess. And bring it all the way down. Open our jump ring, put on our toggle, close the jump ring, and give it a squeeze. Let's do the other side. Open the jump ring, put on our toggle, close it up by twisting it to the right, and then giving it a pinch.